My ladies, please head straight, that's it. You're doing great. Search through that wood, too sweet. Find me some giant meat.
Come on guys, move it fast. Quick, quick, I won't be last. Grab logs, the matches, frame all over, built and laid.
I'm gonna win it,
yeah. And you can't take it.
No.
I'm right here in it,
Yeah.
but you just fake it.
Is this thigh fat enough?
Hey,
Gosh, is this neck thick enough? Bam! Now it's evil versus wicked. Heather's cool, but Al is sick. All this aggro for the cheddar she'll put out here through the shredder.
Got it now, hurry back. I need arms, weak and slack. Her butt is scrawny and flat, and she ain't all
get
that.
me two knobby knees and arms like logs of cheese. Bring me a big fat head. Move quicker or you're gonna win it.
Yeah.
And you can't take it.
No.
I'm right here in it.
Yeah.
But you just fake it.
I'm so right, it's ill. Worth 1/5 of the mill.
I'll pay you back somehow. Pineapple at me now. I'm
Gonna win it.
Yeah.
And you can't take it.
No.
I'm right here in it.
Yeah.
But you just fake it. I'm gonna cash it.
Yeah.
You'll never taste it.
No.
You should trash it.
Yeah. 'Cause I